Hi everyone, welcome back to another vlog. Today is Saturday, the 4th, I think, of November. And I've only just got up. I had a shower, dried my hair. I haven't put any makeup on yet, but I will be doing that in about 10 minutes. Yeah, today we're going to Blackpool. So we're just getting ready to go out. We're going in about an hour. And we're going to Blackpool Dungeons to take Oliver for his birthday treat, because he wanted to go last year but it was shut. It shuts early November and his birthday's in 2 weeks time, so it's an early birthday treat for Oliver. So we're just getting ready to go, and then I'll bring you along with us to Blackpool. I love Blackpool, and yeah, it only takes about 40 minutes to get there from here, not long. And the lights are on as well, aren't they, for winter, so we might see some Blackpool lights as well later. Hi everyone, we are on our way to Blackpool. We're on the M55 towards Blackpool. We're not long now, 20 minutes off the car park. So yeah, I made this scarf yesterday, didn't I? It's nice and fluffy. It was really hard work to make, but I made it. It's really good. Did it really quickly. So we're in Blackpool, and we're going a different way this time, haven't we, Mark? It's a different way. That's fine. I've been down this road. I've worked down this road before. Bit of a interesting fact of the day about me. I used to work in Lancaster, a branch in Lancaster, but I did a fair few days down here too, in the what we would call a head office, but it was still just a branch.
You bought my sat nav.
I broke your sat nav.
I bought my sat nav since you brought it over server again.
I broke it?
I don't know, I lent you my Tom sat nav to here.
Yeah.
And since you stopped working here, I never found it over again.
Maybe I lost it.
You must have, or maybe you left it in the car when you worked from his holiday.
Maybe it got robbed.
Maybe, that's a possibility.
I can't remember, but yeah. God, it's quite busy in Blackpool today. What time are we on? 11:30, 20:11. Still got an hour and a half until our booking, so we're all right.
Yeah, we'll wander around.
Just showing you the
Delights of Blackpool.
Delights of Blackpool. I think it's very grand as Blackpool. I like it. It's just like, it's basically Morecambe. There it is. It's basically Morecambe on steroids.
Yes, very much so.
So that's why I like it. That's where I used to work. BP Insurance Brokers. The yellow building. I used to work there. There's a pizzeria next door. Are they open?
It's wrong.
Yes, they are open. We come around the corner and there's a tower! Blackpool Tower! Mark is the pretty princess, he saw it first.
Oh my god, you saw it first.
Mark saw it first, Daddy saw it first, so he is the pretty princess.
Yeah.
Now you regret saying.
Is that good, Ma?
It was, yes.
Your mate? Skellington. Good?
Yeah, it was alright. I got scared at one part because the lights were off and all of a sudden they turned them back on and then boom.
So we're gonna go over to that fun fair over there. We're gonna go on the big wheel.
I'm scared.
Oliver's scared, but he's been on a few now, so he's not that scared.
What?
The tide came in really quickly.
Did.
Really
We
quickly.
were in there for just under an hour and it's gone in.
Well, we've been just over an hour.
Just over an hour now. But when we got
And
off,
it came in. Do you want to go paddling, Oliver?
No, not really.
No. He goes,
I
no.
get frostbite in my tooth.
Beach patrol. Okay. It's not going anywhere. I don't like this.
It's not.
Oh, I'm just pretending that I don't know that I'm up this high. Oh no. It's not that bad.
I know.
It's just a bit high.
It is, and it's cold.
And it's very
rainy.
Yeah, it is.
I'm getting like sensory overload here. Hi.
Oh, but look how far you can see. So there's a madman swimming in the sea. Can you see him over there? What the heck is that man doing? He'll freeze to death because I'm absolutely freezing.
He's gonna get frostbite and he's just gonna fall in and not make it out.
Well, some people can handle temperatures different than others.
You always get that.
Look at him there swimming. It looks a bit cold.
This is in like 6
He looks cold.
Why not spread up?
car. We got poured on and it was quite a long walk back to the car, so we're a bit knackered, in all fairness. You puffed out?
Yeah. Feet are hurting a bit as well.
His feet are hurting. It wasn't that long to the car, in all fairness. We're all in the same sort of vicinity. But
For me, it felt like,
you know when you're just pouring down with rain and you're just like wandering to the car. So now we're going to put the postcode in for the restaurant that we're going to.
Newton Arms.
The Newton Arms, which is a pub restaurant out of just outside of Blackpool. It's not outside of Blackpool at all, it's in Blackpool, but it's one of them where you can park in the pub. So we finished dinner, which wasn't great, by the way. It was a bit crap, in all fairness. But we finished dinner and we're in the car and we are gonna go to see the lights. Who wants to see Blackpool lights? Because that's where we're going. We're gonna drive down the prom, which is that way. Home is that way, but we're gonna go that way and then just do a loop round to the motorway and see Blackpool lights. So I'm excited about that. So here we go, Blackpool lights are coming up. I want to go into the shenanigans.
Only in Blackpool.
Only in Blackpool. And we're going past the tower with all the lovely lights. Hi everyone, it is now Sunday. We got back from Blackpool last night. We had a good time. It was fun. I love going to Blackpool. It's just me and Mark here today because all the kids have gone to my dad's house. We're going to go shopping to Morrison's. So yeah, I've only just got up really. I need to dry my hair, do my face, like cream and stuff. I'm just editing last week's vlog, so that's what I'm busy doing at the minute. And Mark is making some breakfast, so we're going to have porridge. So yeah, I'm going to have a bowl of porridge to keep me going. Porridge. So we're all ready to go out now, so we're just on our way out to Morrison's. I've checked my list, although I want to change it slightly and get something else. It's that time of year where I want pies and stuff like that. I'm going to look up a recipe for a chicken pie and or get my cousin Sarah to send me through her recipe for it, because I had it when I was at her house. It was really nice. So it was quite a healthy pie because it had, I think it was phyllo pastry on top, and it was phyllo pastry on top, and it was made with chicken and mushroom with creme fraiche, I think. I'm going to text her and find out this recipe. Do you want to see the stuff I got from Blackpool yesterday? So these are the things I got from Blackpool. I got a Blackpool magnet, as per. I got a Blackpool Tower Dungeon magnet. I always get a magnet from wherever we go, so they will go on the fridge. I got this for myself, which is just a key ring, a skeleton with like poison and an eyeball and things, quite cool. And this I picked up because it was like buy 2 for 3. No, buy 3 for 2. So I got that one free. So I think Oliver wants it. So it's a little keyring reminder. And he got some playing cards, which are really cool. But I showed them yesterday, I think. Anyway, I am going to go out now. Text about this recipe first. So we're going down Morecambe Prom to Morrison's. I'm enjoying Morrison's food, and I'm enjoying how quiet the shop is and how nice it is to shop there. It's a bit like Sainsbury's. Sainsbury's is really nice to shop in. Oh gosh, that sun is blinding. Wow, Asda's horrible. I hate shopping in Asda. So we're in the centre of Morecambe. It's quite quiet, really. So as you can see, compared to Blackpool, do you want to go down there? Compared to Blackpool, Morecambe is very tame. Very calm. Slow living seaside town. Hi everyone, it is much later now. It's about 3 o'clock, something like that. I got back from Morrison, sorry. I didn't show you a haul this week because I just put everything away, but I will show you my meals as the week goes on. We're gonna have like lots of pies and things like that. So I've got chicken pie, a cottage pie. Tonight we're having steak sandwiches with a nice baguette, so that's nice. The kids are eating at Grandad's house, so it's just me and Mark eating here tonight, I think. They are coming back soon, and we bought some fireworks for tonight, so we've got some fireworks, and we're going to put our barbecue, fire pit. It's a fire pit, isn't it? we're gonna make a little fire pit outside, and we're gonna roast marshmallows on the fire pit, and we're gonna make like s'mores basically. So yeah, the kids don't know we've got fireworks, so that'll be a surprise for them. The low level fireworks, I'll show you them in a minute. The low sound ones, because Oliver doesn't like them. He probably won't even come to watch the fireworks even if they're low level, because other places will be having loud fireworks, and he won't go anywhere. He will lock himself in his bedroom basically, usually, every firework night. So it's 5th of November, I told you, didn't I? So it's bonfire night. So we're going to do something for that. I'm just watching YouTube at the minute, very boring stuff. Yeah, that's it really. I'll show you my fireworks that I got. So basically I got these really huge marshmallows, I got some dairy milk, and I got some chocolate digestive biscuits. So we're gonna make some s'mores out of them. So in here we've got some cooked matches that we've got some fire lighters. We got Heart of Gold fireworks, 2 of these. These are low level sound. And down here we have some kindling just to make a little fire pit, and this one looks quite big and scary, to be fair. I don't really like the ones that go into the sky, but we picked them anyway. This is a bear with me, medium, sorry, it was a medium sounding one. Got 2 of these. It's quite hefty. So we've only got 4. We've only got 4 fireworks. I wanted some sparklers, but I couldn't find any anywhere. So the kids don't have sparklers this year, but that's fine. So yeah, those were the fireworks that we bought. We're going to make a little fire pit and do a little bonfire night, which would be nice. It's only just gone and started raining, hasn't it? So our bonfire night is in jeopardy. It's not ideal, but apparently it's going to stop in an hour or so. It's just going dark now. So we plan to have this firework night at about 6. And apparently by then it's going to stop. But it's not ideal. So we finished our firework night. We just bought 4, like I said earlier. Just that loud one, but was supposed to be medium sounding. Wasn't. It was scary.
It's cool.
Mark enjoyed it. But now we're stood by the fire. Alfie's had a few toasted marshmallows. I've set fire to a couple of them. And Oliver managed all right, and we could let Maisie out now. Maisie's been locked up because she was a little bit scared. She doesn't like the fireworks going off outside, but there you go. Right, so it started raining. So we did all our fireworks, our s'mores and everything just in time. Right, so we finished bonfire night because it's rained and it's put out our fire, which is fair enough. But these are these cards from the dungeons that I got Oliver. They're really nice. I really like them. Good, huh? Okay. You don't like fireworks, do you? You're not too bad, but you can tell she's a little bit stressed. So you sit quiet with me. Yeah. She sat quiet with Oliver when we were doing our fireworks. So she was cuddled by Oliver. Weren't you? You protected Oliver and he protected you. That's very sweet. Yes. Hi everyone. It is now Monday. It's Monday. I thought it was Tuesday, but it's not. It's Monday. I haven't spoken to you all day, I don't think, and we're coming up to the evening time. As you can tell, it's very dark. I've just prepared tea. We're having a chicken pie, a recipe that I got from my cousin, which I had when I went round to her house, and it's chicken and creme fraiche. It's chicken pie. I don't know. She had it with phyllo pastry, but I couldn't find any, so I'm having it with puff pastry. So that's gone in the oven now, and I'm just cooking that. Oliver's having steak, because he prefers steak, and Oscar's had some noodles. I did offer him chicken pie, but he's not feeling too good, so yeah. I'll show you my pie when it's done. I've never really cooked a pie. I've only done it a couple of times. I've obviously cooked pies with mashed potato on top of that, but not pastry pies. But yeah, I've done that, and I'm feeling a bit hungry now. I feel a bit sick. So I'll show you my pie when I have finished it, and I'll speak to you later. So there we are. There's my pie. Chicken, mushroom, something else. Mustard, creme fraiche, milk. So there it is, and that over here we've got a lot of mess and my vegetables, and in the air fryer we have some chips. Here it is, all plated up. Chicken, mushroom, pie, with some chips and some asparagus and broccoli. Yummy. So this is the leftovers for tomorrow. So I've just put it in a bowl. It's just cooling down. It's a bit hot because the filling remained warm, the steam coming from it. I'm going to wrap it, put it in the fridge, and I'm going to have it for my lunch tomorrow. That pastry looks really nice. Not having an egg wash, that looks really nice.
It does.
Hi everyone. It is now Friday. I believe the last clip that I showed you was on Monday, because I haven't picked up the camera since Monday, I don't think. Yeah, the worst vlogger in the world. Sometimes you just think, I'm just not going to pick up the camera. I'm just not going to do anything to do with YouTube today. And that's lasted like 4 days now. But we're on Friday, which is the last day of this vlog, so I thought I'd best wrap it up. I'll bring you along for the rest of the day, but yeah, it's the last day of the vlog. I think Maisie's seen the postman, so she's a bit excited. I'm currently cooking myself a bacon sandwich because I've got some bacon that I needed to use up. Just 3 slices. I'm just going to check it, bear with me. Anyway, so I'm just going to have this bacon sandwich. I've just been pottering around the house, giving it a good clean. This weekend is going to be a complete relaxed weekend. We went to Blackpool last weekend, so we've been doing things every weekend basically for a few weeks. So this weekend it's just going to be so chill. I'm just going to get the housework done. I'm going to go shopping. I'll show you a haul and things. That'll be in next week's vlog. But yeah, it's going to be very chilled out. And I've got a massive headache today and I'm quite tired. Anyway, I'm going to eat this bacon sandwich now. I think it's ready. I'll see you in a minute. Hi everyone. I got back from the school run. I have been an absolute awful vlogger this week. I do apologise. Maisie thinks I'm talking to her. I'm just pausing my video. Mark's ringing. Hang on. Sorry about that. That was Mark ringing to tell me that he's finished work. So it's currently 4 o'clock. I took the scenic route home. I went down Morecambe Prom from Oliver's school. It was nice. The sun is setting. It's very nice out there today. It's been a lovely day, but I haven't done much. I've just tidied up in the house and that's about it. So yeah, it's Friday night and I'm going to have leftovers for tea because I made a really big cottage pie yesterday and we only ate half of it, so we've got another half to eat. And yeah, that's it really. Tomorrow I'm going to go shopping because I have no food in, basically. That's all we've got is cottage pie, so we're going to have that. And I need to write a list. Anyway, I'm currently just watching YouTube and having a cup of tea. Waiting for Mark to come home. Alfie's gone out for the last bit of sunlight, so he's playing football outside, but he's completely ruining my grass. Like, ruining it. And then he drags the mud in that I have to clean up. Just a pain in the bum. Anyway, Oscar and Oliver are upstairs playing the Xbox. And I'm down here watching YouTube. They don't want anything to do with me anymore. When they get into teenage years, they just do as they please. So this is the leftover tea that we've got. Mine has cheese on it, as it should. We've got some leftover gravy there that I just need to heat up again. And this is Mark's portion. I did 2 cottage pies, one with cheese on, one with not cheese. That's quite a large portion. Alfie's is currently in the microwave. And I'm just going to heat this up a little bit more. Could make more actually. This is the gravy that I take off the meat, by the way. So I strain the meat basically and all the gravy goes in at the side. It makes the potatoes not as gooey until you add it right at the end basically. But that's what we've got for tea. And I'm absolutely starving. It's like 7:30. No, it's just gone 7, so I'm starving. Hey everyone, it is now the next day. I have been the most awful vlogger this week. I do apologise. I'm just going on to end the vlog because it's Saturday and I've already started a new weekly vlog. So this is just the end of this vlog and I will see you again next week for another one. Thank you very much for watching this one and I will see you soon. Bye.